Before aircraft existed, humanity could only dream of touching the skies. For centuries, mankind looked upward and imagined the impossible. But inside small workshops, a few dreamers began turning imagination into reality. With nothing but pencils and ideas, the first aircraft designs were born. To understand flight, inventors first studied nature itself. Slowly, wood, fabric, and steel began taking the shape of a machine. Every bolt tightened, brought humanity one step closer to flight. But creating a flying machine was far more difficult than anyone imagined. The first engines were unstable, loud, and dangerously unpredictable. Many early experiments ended in failure. Then came the moment that could change history forever. But the dream of flight refused to die. For the first time, a machine heavier than air began moving toward the unknown. And suddenly, humanity left the ground. The impossible had finally become real. News of the first flight spread across America like wildfire. A new generation became inspired to reach even higher. What began as a fragile experiment quickly evolved into something much greater. Aviation was no longer just a dream. It had become an industry. And from that moment on, the world would never look at the sky the same way again.